Hello guys, welcome back to another day. Today we're going to visit the Rainforest Institute, Jorhat, about 11 to 15 kilometers from here. So we'll be traveling again by bus.
We are now in Rainforest Institute. This subject is mainly for forestry students, so I think my friend here will probably be asking a lot of questions. I hope.
A glimpse of the inside. What's that?
First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Rajiv Kumar Kalita. I'm a scientist and head the extension division. Today actually, unfortunately, we have holiday. We have here 5 days working, and Saturday, Sunday, that institute remains closed. But anyway, we'll show you some of the activities, some field activities. But divisions inside the laboratory, it will be difficult today. And I'll try to utilize the whole forenoon up to lunchtime, showing different activities. Okay.
आप लोग का हमें कैसे कटा है बेम्बू का ये काम कटिंग है देखिए 2% है 2 नोट रख के वो 1.5 years का बेम्बू 2 नोट काट के अंदर में हम लोग ये आईडी इंडोल ब्यूटारिक एसिड डाल के ये लगाया है एक ये नर्सरी टेक्निक है ये काम कटिंग ओके इसीलिए ये मोनोपोडियल अलग अलग होता है ना क्लम्प नहीं कटे है ये हाँ ये अमेरिकन बेम्बो है ये ऊपर तक देखिए कितना साइज भी कितना यूनिफॉर्म है और नोडल जो पोर्शन है इंटरनल से डिस्टेंस कम है फोटो खींच के लीजिए ये देखिए बराबर है और ब्रांच भी कम है इसीलिए वो फर्नीचर के लिए अच्छा है ये
How many weeks for growth rate?
ग्रोथ रेट और ग्रोथ रेट बहुत अच्छा है इसका ये हमें
American dan itu.
We're the vlogger meets vlogger. Dendra column
ब्रांच नहीं है देखिए यहाँ में ब्रांच कितना ऊपर तक ब्रांच नहीं है
Branch mo po tiyam tato.
बेम्बो वाल देखिए 1 मीटर तक हो जाता है।
ये लग है
हो जाएगा ना। काइट इंडस्ट्री में यूज होता है और इसका बैम्बो जो वाल है ये वाल बहुत थिन है ये।
This is the largest bamboo. In Jorhat. Explain.
This is bamboo.
Hey guys, this is the one that I made. I've been making for the past 3 years, and now I finally completed it.
Here are some bamboo handicraft made by some locals. So, owner of this warehouse. Oh,
उसी के सकते हो
do you prefer English or tribal language? Any. Ini pawinan dong sing tangil ya. Ci in asung abuan siya na sa na ba hina. Kung izat bang ana lu nam.
cái này rồi anh chú chi cái xã đây là 한국 사슬이 어디 있다
Hagop la sige. Ta. In cái tu thilo hi po in kisa kati.
anh cái xã xe xe hết cùng khát lúc này
In sa ta. Hoi le ni izat bang asim ham ta thilo hi.
what cái hi mi som mi mana
Ni som ni.
mi som
Hoi ni sia ni ko thana pi lo le sa sia na pi ham.
anh hà
An ha. An ha. Ha.
Length is 22 feet, and at a together we can put around 50 to 60 bamboo depending on size, and within 3 hours we can treat the bamboo. The process it required around 7 to 10 days. That 3 hours we can do it. Means one day at least 2.5 cycle half beds we can do it in that machine. So practically now we are not doing because already we have installed this one. A very big instrument there, and now we have leased out to one private agency, so they are doing their business and giving fees to us. And bamboo can be treated different ways. We are using copper chrome boron, then boric acid borax. Boric acid borax can also be used. Then creosote oil and diesel can also be used for treating bamboo. Creosote oil generally put inside. Generally, the pole purposes, creosote can be also be used. But we have seen that this copper from CCB also quite useful. But one thing, somebody asked one question: when we treat the bamboo with CCB, that bamboo should not be used for making any implements which are used for cooking. Suppose that what is called spoon, some piece of that wood or anything, that result will be ash. But here the result will be charcoal. Again you can burn it for cooking and other purposes. How it is done? That process is called, in science it is called pyrolysis. Pyrolysis is the burning in absence of oxygen. So standard practice is there. So we can make this brick kiln in absence of oxygen, then we can burn it. first staking is done, we take the bamboo, we cut into pieces so that it can accommodate. It's moisture around 20 to 18 to 20%. It should be there. It should be dried. Then we stake it. There is some process also. Properly you have to stake it so that all the places bamboo it will catch fire. Then you have seen some holes are there. On the side some holes are there. So first all holes are made open. Then we stake it. While staking, that its mouth is bigger. Once it is completed, staking is completed and it is full, and of this size around 300 kg. And once it is completely full, then we close this mouth and keeping only small one hole, and through that hole with the help of blower we fire it. After firing, it will start blowing that smoke. Initially that black smoke will be there, then slowly black smoke will be converted into white smoke. Then once the white smoke is there, then it completely blocked this end, and slowly all these blocks, all these holes also will block with the help of this brick.
We're now back again to hostel. Our tour for today is end. Kasi lang mo here, ito nung tahaga. Feeling to fat. They're all tired now. Tomorrow we have a long way to go, so we'll be sleeping early today. Tomorrow we'll be going to Kaziranga National Park, and after that we'll go to Shillong. So it is going to be a long journey. So we decided to take a good rest tonight. Early to bed, early to rise. We'll be leaving the hostel by 4 a.m. in the morning. And that's all for today.